Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have a number. First, confirm it's a non-negative integer and trim obvious factors. Once confirmed, estimate its square root to narrow the search range, and divide out obvious square factors like 4, 9, 16 to simplify. This reduces size and reveals structure. Make sure to keep track of removed square factors so you can rebuild the final root later. You're now set to test if the remaining value is itself a perfect square using prime checks or direct root calculation. You'll now factor the simplified number into primes, work systematically through small primes, and divide repeatedly. Once done, inspect each prime exponent. If every exponent is even, the number is a perfect square because primes pair up into squared factors. If an exponent is odd, the number cannot be a perfect square as is. Combine paired primes into their base factors and multiply them. Then reintroduce any square factors you removed earlier to produce the full square root. This method explains. You now compute the candidate square root and square it to verify it matches the original number exactly. Do not accept rounded approximations. For large numbers, use a reliable calculator or long multiplication so you can compare integers precisely. If the squared result differs, go back and recheck your prime factorization, ensure you didn't miss a small prime, and confirm removed square factors were tracked correctly. If factorization checks out but mismatch persists, widen your initial SQRT estimate and repeat the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.